Looking to use QR codes in your marketing material? In KeyLead Engine, from your dashboard, click on Sites. Scan all the way across till you see QR codes. Looking to use QR codes in your marketing material? In KeyLead Engine, from your dashboard, click on Sites. Scan all the way over to QR codes. Hit Create a QR code. And then we can link to our website. We can have it send a call, a text message, an email. We can link it to forms. We can link it to surveys, profile cards, and we can even make a V card for iPhones or a business card. So in the business card, it would look like this. We'd fill in all this information on the next page. What we want to do on this one is just simply link it to a form. So we're going to go ahead and click Next. Actually, go back one. Sorry, we want to give it a name. We're going to call this Open House Survey QR code so I can remember it. We're going to grab the form. I'm going to click Next. And we're going to change colors if we want to. We can change the shapes if we want to. We can change the inside. We can add a logo to the center like this. I'm going to have none. I don't suggest putting a page background because you're putting this on paper already, so you want it to have transparency. So we can download that PNG and use it on our marketing material. If we want to see what it looks like, we'll copy this link. You'll go into a browser, paste that link in the browser, and you'll see where that form will go. This is to an open house form that was created for an agent. So we're going to make sure we save that. And now every time you go into QR codes, you're going to have this in here. So I really like the fact that you can have your own SMS and you can have your own call me QR code. The business card is really nice too because you're going to go ahead and edit the page color. Let's go random. We can upload our photo. We can add our information here. We can enter our email and it'll start to change on the screen. We'll enter our website or company information, our description, our street, whether or not we use operating hours, and we can even attach our Instagram, Facebook. If we have TikTok, we can put that in there. If we don't use Pinterest, we just take that out. So now it's only going to be what you currently are, so that way there's not blank spaces there. You'll fill in your links to all of those. You'll go ahead and hit Next. I'm not using any, so I can't hit Next. But that will then save to your business card right here on the screen. So again, think about how you can use these QR codes in order to link out to your property. And you can put that right on your flyer. You could link your open house surveys. You could even have a form built to sign in for open houses. We have one agent who is using this where she is linking to the seller's property disclosure. She's uploading that disclosure into Google Drive. It gives her a shareable link, and she is using that link in here. She's naming it the property address, 123 Main Street, SPD. And then she will click website. She'll link the website URL right there. That's going to open up the drive for her. And now she'll have that inside of hers that she can use that on her marketing flyers as well. So instead of having a copy that sits at the property that might disappear, she can always have this at the property. She also does the open house sign-in sheet, very large, and she puts it on the fridge. So just another way to use the QR codes in your marketing.